Let's now see how to calibrate the Keratron Nova. First of all, calibration is very important because the device is portable. So since it is moved and transported, to ensure you acquire high-quality topographies, it's advisable to calibrate it fairly often during the period of use. The machine, the device, allows you to set an expiration date for the calibration. So it allows the user to know when the calibration will expire and when it is therefore recommended to perform it again. The calibration procedure is very quick and fast, so it doesn't take time away from the operator's practice. How is it done? You click on the calibration button on the device, check that the diopter value on the test eye matches the one entered into the device, press the acquisition button, and then position the test eye in front of the cone. The test eye has a rotating ring which allows you to simulate movement. The forward and backward movement of the device will remain stationary in this case, unlike during a normal acquisition of an eye. So we position the test eye and move the ring back and forth until it is perfectly centered and the reference cross for the position is completely green. Once this is done, we press the button. The machine's software will ask us if the calibration sphere has been cleaned before acquisition. We confirm this with yes and check whether the rings have been reconstructed correctly. Once this is done, we proceed with a second acquisition step because we need to calibrate both sensors of the cone, the external sensor and the internal sensor. So we unscrew the ring on the calibration sphere more widely, of course, until we position the sensor so that it is aligned with the center of the rings. Once the green cross is perfectly centered, we can press the acquisition button again. Again, it will ask us if the calibration sphere has been cleaned before use and if the rings have been reconstructed. Once this is done perfectly, calibration is complete. Every time calibration is performed, the calibration expiration timeout will be updated until the next expiration date.